Then feature scaling. You are scaling the feature, right? Why it is required? Okay, so that we bring them to a range. Okay, we bring them to a range. So your min max scaling is also called as max absolute scalar. So this example you see, min max scalar. So if you are performing min max scalar, you get something like this. So here minimum is what?
0.
Right? Now you see, I'm doing min max by row, sorry, by column. The values will be doing my column, isn't it? So by default, it is doing my column. So 0, 230. So 0 is 0, 200 is 1. So 0, 1, and 30 is somewhere between 0 and 1. Okay. Minus 35, 0, 10. So minus 35 is 0, 1, 10 is 1, and 0 has become 0.77, something like that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is called min max scalar. So you can choose whatever you want to do. And then you have max absolute scalar, okay? But that's okay. Okay. Missing values we have already done. So missing value, sir, what we did, yes.
You said these two are same, no, sir? Min max
scalar. They are, there's one difference between this thing.
Min max and max.
Absolute. Yeah. But, you know, it works same zero, I mean, mean and max, but it does -1 to 1.
Okay.
Okay. So the minimum value is treated as -1.
Okay. Instead of 0 as in min max scalar.
Correct. Okay. So the output, if you see, it will be between -1 and 1. It will not be less than -1, like -1.2 or 1.2. It will not be like that. It will be between this. Okay. Then we have done missing values. So missing values, we have a sklearn has a, you know, formula directly. Simple imputer. Simple imputer, okay, if you run on the values, directly it will be replaced. Missing values will be replaced. So I'm saying, okay, replace np.nan. np.nan, numpy dot, not a number. Okay, so if it is not a number, okay, replace all not a number with mean, strategy equal to mean. We are doing with small numpy, okay? Later we'll take data set and we'll apply all this. Okay, so you are applying strategy equal to mean, okay, and all the missing values. See, one line. What in earlier what we did, maybe 10-20 lines to do it. Yes. Here one line, okay, is doing our job for us.
Sir, here not a number, right? When it comes to categorical features.
Tell me, will you do mean on the categorical
no
column?
Yeah, then? I understand, no. But then why to give that condition not a number?
We have to do a number only, no. See, you had different strategy for number and different strategy for categorical.
Yes.
Right? So this is your number column. That's why we are doing not a number and mean. Got it? Okay. In mathematics, can you use string value to perform operation?
No.
Then we're talking about sklearn. We're talking about numbers only. Categorical values also we converted into numbers. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then, okay. So mathematical modeling, okay, NLP was what we did earlier. Okay, so you have to do everything that we did, convert into number as such at the end if you want to do algorithm, machine learning algorithm. Okay, so NLP in a way is a process that we perform in the pre-processing stage only. You can do everything, but somehow before running your model, you have to convert into number. That's what we discussed. That machine learning algorithm takes only numbers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So that's the way we are taking pain to convert categorical values into those numbers, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you will have to convert into numbers only. Okay. So this is it. Okay. Simply say simple imputer. Okay. Now, if the missing values is -1, you don't have not a number. Missing values is, let's say, some, you know, we also discussed, right? Sometimes missing values will have some default value, -999.
Yeah. Yes,
So
sir.
you'll say missing value is equal to minus 999, strategy equal to mean. Okay. And then fit will actually replace. Done.